Hey guys, welcome to this new Boiled One game. I thought I would play it. Let's get into it. Night 1, is this some FNAF copy? We're about to find out. Okay, we're in. By the way, I'm playing on my phone because this is a mobile game. What is this remote for? Bro, who the actual hell is knocking at my door? What is that thing? No. What the hell was that? Okay, what am I expecting? It's a horror game. Alright, I'm still getting used to the controls here. Who's... Okay, that jump scared me. I'll say that. What the... Even if you do not feel the presence is real, stay cautious. Keep a Bible close by. What the actual hell is this guy saying? Feed the cat? I have a cat? No way. I have a cat. Aww, he's kind of cute. Okay. Alright, I like this game so far. Wait, where's the clock? Where's the clock at? Where am I supposed to go to clean the clock? Oh, what? Okay. Where is the clock? Bruh. I have a car, I guess. Is that blood on my mirror? Hold on. I don't want to go back in there. Oh, my kitty cat. I can spam pet him. Too many meows. Yes. Kitty cat. Where am I supposed to go next? I have a guitar. I can play music. Yeah. I'm able to play music. My guitar. Okay, this game is sick. I love this game. Alright, where do I go next? What about this? Oh. What? Oh, next night. Okay. I turned my internet off so there's no ads. Okay. Another person at my door. It's gonna try to jump scare me again, isn't it? I'm not falling for it. I'm not falling for your jump scare. Wow, so scary. Boo. You need food? Okay, you want food? I guess I'll give you food. There you go. Alright. Play my guitar again. Guitar. I love this guitar. Okay, let's keep going. How is my pool this dirty? How does a pool get so dirty that it's green? Probably because that boiled guy actually doesn't look like he's taken a shower in a long time. Am I gonna make him angry by saying that? I gotta clean the mirrors. Okay, I guess I gotta clean the blood off my mirror. Dude, this guy is actually so dirty if he got the pool green like that. Alright, night 3. I think when you complete all the objectives, it takes you to the next one. Whoa, okay, I saw that. He's inside my house. What the hell? Oh, nah. I hear that. I hear that. I do not like this. Please, let me leave. It's this guy again. Yes, things are getting worse. I hear that, bro. Little bro. Chat, what do I do? Okay, this is not a live stream. Is there anything I can do about this noise? Okay, it's gone. Why is this guy stalking me, bro? I hate this. I wish I could leave my house. Kitty cat, nothing bad. I will not let anything bad happen to you, kitty cat. I don't think anything bad can happen around the kitty cat. It's just a rule in the game, I guess. Okay. I gotta fix the radio. Okay. I hate how it takes so long to fix this stuff. Wait, do I have a baby? What the? There was a crib in there. Alright. Bro, I don't want to go outside. Okay, I guess the guy jumped in the pool and got it dirty again. Great. It takes... Alright, did my audio cut out earlier at the pool? I don't care. Alright. Let's do this. Clean the mirrors again? Bruh. Yup, shit stains on my mirror. Usual. Where are there shit stains on my mirror? Ooh, TV. I gotta clean this one, which has the blood on it. What? Why is it? What? What? Hi. Okay, what the actual funny in the onion just happened? I gotta restart the night now? With different objectives? What? Let's just play my guitar. Quick. You're out there again? Okay, he's gone. I was gonna say, I can't clean the pool if he's out there. Probably just got out of the pool, considering the pool's dirty. Hope he didn't hear me say that. Now we gotta make popcorn. Kitty cat, nothing bad can happen around you. Kitty cat, kitty character, kitty cat. Alright, let's keep going. I'm gonna make popcorn. Okay. Oh, did I just turn on the microwave by accident? Is this popcorn? Hello? What the? I can throw it? Why is the microwave on? Oh. Did I put the popcorn in? I don't want to take the popcorn out. What? What do I do? Is this even popcorn? No. Bro, this game. Alright. What do I do now? Do I click it? Oh, there we go. Popcorn. Yeah. It's gonna take 10 hours, isn't it? Guys, stand by the video. Oh, there it is. Can I eat it? It still doesn't say I did the objective. What do I do? What in the skibbity? Okay, what the hell? What the helly, bro? I just want to eat my popcorn. Is that a book? I can't tell if this is a book or popcorn. If not, if it's not popcorn, then I probably just roasted a book. Alright, night 5. Here I come. This game is getting kind of repetitive. Someone's at my door. Okay. I gotta turn my volume up. There we go. Okay. Police officer? What is he doing here? Yeah, there's activity. There's a bit of activity. Yes, it's stalking me. It's stalking me. It's something scary. It's red. It's red. It's boiled. It's called the boiled one. If I see anything strange, run. Yeah, I'm going to follow that advice. When I downloaded this game, I thought it was going to be another dumb, cheap game, but this is actually kind of cool. Hi, kitty cat. Where's the cat food? Do I just have a thing of cat food in my pocket at all times? Is that how this works? I haven't seen anything strange yet. I mean, tell me in the comments if you have. Where do I go to fix the clock, bro? Like, where am I supposed to go? What the? Hello? This is kind of scary. To be honest, all the stuff that's been happening is kind of scary. I think I'm gonna find the clock. Oh, what was that? No. Let me out. The officer told me to run. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm running. Call me a whip in the comments all you want. I'm hiding in this closet till 5 a.m. or 6 a.m., whatever it is. I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Don't click off the video, guys. I might edit in some Subway Surfers clips here for the people who can't stay on this video really long. Okay, I shouldn't have said that. Yeah, I'm putting over something here. Hello? Is anyone out here? Alright, night 6. Thank God it turned night 6. I don't want to be there, bro. That thing is scary. I hate it. Gonna play the guitar again. I'm playing my guitar and I love it. Yeah, I don't love my guitar. Yeah, do I have a baby or something? Because, bruh. Like, where's my kid? They probably stole my kid. Hi. There's shit stains on my mirror again. It's following me. Let me out. Where do I go? I'll just clean the blood off my mirror. That thing is that thing is scary. Ooh, I'm actually scared. I'm fucking scared. Run. The cat's in here. Nothing bad can happen when the cat's in here. Yay! Let's go, kitty catty. I feel safe now. Nothing bad can happen around the kitty cat. Let's go. Okay, night 7. Let's go. Now what we got here? Another person knocking at the door, bro. How many people are gonna knock on my door? And why does it keep doing the jump scare thing? Like, they're not gonna jump scare me. Hi. Good evening, just passing by. Notice your lights on? Why do you want to come in my house? Who even are you? You have an interest in old houses? I mean, I guess it's kind of cool. I mean, it depends on the story. Yeah, get out. Who the fuck was that guy? Can I clean the mirrors again? The blood stains off my mirror? Okay. Clean the shit stains off my mirror. I gotta take a bath? That's a new task. How do I take a bath? I'm trying to jump in. How do I take a bath? What? Is this how people take baths in the Boiled One universe? Or the Dr. Nowhere universe, because that's where it came from. Do they just click as there's a dot in their view and a little circle comes around their view? Is that how people shower in the Dr. Nowhere universe? Or take a bath? You know what? Taking a bath is exactly what the Boiled One needs. He just needs a bath and that'll look perfectly fine. Oh, okay, that closet's creepy. Hi. Hi. I don't want to be near him. Okay, nothing in here. Alright. The kitty cat! Nothing bad can happen around the kitty cat. Let's go. I'm safe here. Yep, nothing outside. Nothing bad can ever happen around the kitty cat, man. This is why people need to be around the kitty cat more. Dude, if anyone else in the world plays this game, stay around the kitty cat at all times. I promise it'll pay off. I gotta fix the clock again. I'm not fixing the clock, bro. Being next to the kitty cat will always pay off. You could win every night. You could win quite literally every night. Just keep spamming petting him. I guess the Boiled One's scared of cats. I mean, it's kind of cool. I guess bad stuff can happen around the kitty. Alright, that encounter was scary. I'm just gonna speedrun this time. I'm literally just gonna speedrun this night. Let's activate sprint real quick. Come on. Alright, get downstairs, get downstairs. Yes, and do the downstairs. Now what do you want? Yeah. No, you can't come in. You can't come in. Thanks for the warning, I guess. Now get out. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Yup. I think the Boiled One's mad that I stayed around the kitty cat too much. I guess he overcome his fear of kitty cats.
We have noticed several cases of full-body paralysis.
Okay, luckily, all the tasks are tasks I can, except the make popcorn one, but... Feed the cat. Isn't the kitty cat in the other room? Where's the kitty cat at? Kitty cat, kitty cat. Oh, okay. I'm not going out there. Luckily, I don't have to clean the pool. Kitty cat. Oh, kitty cat. Where are you at? Kitty. Okay. Hi, kitty cat. Hi. I just gotta clean you. Or not clean you. Feed you. Alright. Make the popcorn. I don't know how to do that though. I don't want to get to 5 a.m. It's scary. I got jump scared. I hope this is not a book. It's too low quality to tell. Alright. Oh, oops. Bro, let me make the popcorn. Come on. Don't take 10 hours. Come on, man. I hate this microwave. Okay. You finish. I'm gonna cook it a second time just to make sure it's cooked. Dude, that thing is scary. Call me a wimp in the comments. I don't care. That thing is scary. Okay. And can I eat it now? Because I cooked it twice. Did I overcook it? Alright, it's 5 a.m. This is scary. What do I do? What the actual hell do I do? Where do I go? Oh my god, he's out there again. Oh my god, bro. Where do I go? Oh, thank God. Thank God. Whew. That was scary. Night 8. Okay. I'm still in the popcorn. Hi, kitty cat. I don't want to be around you. I'm sorry. Who's knocking at my door now? Santa Claus. Okay, what is going on with this game? Who are you? You're not Santa Claus. You're not Santa, little bro. You're not him. You don't sound okay. I'm gonna close the door on you. I hate you. Not because you're Santa, just because you're a guy in a suit acting like Santa. So you're dumb. Probably drunk. The boiled one got in the pool again. Dumb boiled one. Let's keep going. Okay. Hi, kitty cat. Gotta feed you. I don't know how to fix the clock. That's in my tasks. Hi, kitty cat. Where's the clock at? Okay. No. Where do I go? Can I leave? Can I just leave? Okay, I don't wanna be. No. It's inside my house. Do I go in here? Can I get out? Do I climb up a ladder? Oh my, I don't want to deal with that thing. Is it inside? Can I see it inside? Oh, what do I do? Car, can I get in the car? Can I open the garage? Bro.